If you're searching for the perfect all-inclusive getaway in Mexico's stunning Riviera Maya, Sandos Playacar might just be the tropical paradise you've been dreaming about. This 5-star resort sits pretty on one of the most beautiful stretches of coastline near Playa del Carmen. And after diving deep into what this place offers, there's definitely a lot to unpack. From luxurious accommodations to world-class dining and everything in between, this resort promises an experience that goes beyond your typical beach vacation. Let's talk about where you'll be resting your head after those long days of soaking up the Mexican sun. Sandos Playacar offers 3 main accommodation types, each designed to cater to different travel styles and budgets. The deluxe room garden view serves as the entry-level option, but don't let that fool you into thinking it's basic. These 375-square-foot rooms pack quite a punch with modern Mexican decor, smart technology features, and all the essentials you'd expect from a luxury resort. You'll find either a king bed or 2 doubles, perfect for couples or small families, plus a private balcony or terrace where you can enjoy your morning coffee while overlooking the lush tropical gardens. The rooms come equipped with air conditioning that actually works well, a flat-screen TV for those rare moments when you're not exploring, a well-stocked minibar, coffee maker, free Wi-Fi, and is safe for your valuables. The bathrooms feature eco-friendly toiletries and modern fixtures that make getting ready for dinner feel like a spa experience. If you're looking to upgrade your stay, the Junior Suite Ocean View takes things up several notches. These spacious 540-square-foot suites feature a separate sitting area that gives you room to spread out, plus that all-important oceanfront balcony with panoramic Caribbean sea views that'll have you reaching for your camera every single morning. The real game-changer here is the jacuzzi tub, perfect for unwinding after a day of adventures, along with an enhanced minibar and plush bathrobes that make you feel like royalty. For families or larger groups, the family suite is where the magic happens. At 750 square feet, these 2-bedroom units feature a full kitchenette, separate dining area, 2 full bathrooms, and enough space for up to 5 guests without anyone feeling cramped. The family-friendly decor is bright and welcoming, with separate sleeping areas that give parents and kids their own space when needed. Now let's dive into what might be the real star of the show at Sandos Playacar, the dining scene. This resort takes its food seriously, and it shows in every bite. La Hacienda serves as the main restaurant, and it's far from your typical hotel buffet situation. This spacious 200-guest capacity dining room showcases authentic Mexican cuisine alongside international favorites, all served in a rustic Mexican setting that feels both elegant and comfortable. The breakfast spread runs from 7 to 11 in the morning and includes everything from fresh tropical fruits to made-to-order omelets and traditional Mexican breakfast dishes that'll wake up your taste buds. Lunch and dinner feature an impressive array of options, including tacos al pastor that rival what you'd find on the streets of Mexico City, fresh ceviche that tastes like it was just pulled from the ocean, perfectly grilled meats, and an impressive selection of fresh pastries and desserts. The Thursday-themed Mexican nights are particularly special, featuring live cooking demonstrations and traditional dishes you won't find anywhere else. For a more intimate dining experience, the grill offers fine dining that would make any steakhouse jealous. This 80-seat specialty restaurant focuses on premium cuts of meat and fresh seafood, all prepared with the kind of attention to detail that makes special occasions truly memorable. The ribeye steaks are cooked to perfection, the lobster tails are sweet and tender, and the truffle mashed potatoes are so good they should probably be illegal. The restaurant requires reservations and has a smart casual dress code, but the elevated atmosphere and ocean views make it worth planning ahead. They even host monthly wine pairing dinners that showcase the best of Mexican and international wines. Don't miss the swim-up bar, which is exactly what it sounds like and twice as fun as you'd imagine. This unique concept lets you enjoy tropical cocktails and light snacks without ever leaving the pool, with submerged stools that make happy hour feel like a vacation within your vacation. The pool and beach situation at Sandos Playacar is nothing short of spectacular, and you'll probably spend more time here than anywhere else. The resort features 3 distinct pool areas, each designed for different moods and age groups. The crown jewel is definitely the adults-only infinity pool, stretching about 25 meters with crystal clear water that seems to blend seamlessly with the Caribbean horizon. At 1.2 meters deep throughout, it's perfect for both swimming laps and lounging with a cocktail in hand. The poolside service here is top-notch, with attentive staff bringing everything from fresh towels to frozen drinks without you having to move from your comfortable lounger. The family pool offers a different vibe entirely, with a 20-meter length and varying depths from 0.8 to 1.5 meters, making it perfect for kids to splash around safely while parents relax nearby. This heated pool stays comfortable year-round, and the surrounding deck has plenty of umbrellas and loungers for the whole family. The kids get their own dedicated splash pool, complete with water features and shallow areas designed specifically for little ones to play safely. All pools operate from 8 in the morning until 8 at night, giving you plenty of time to perfect your poolside tan. The beach access is where Sandos Playacar really shines, offering 300 meters of pristine white sand beach with some of the clearest turquoise water you'll ever see. The calm waters make it perfect for swimming, and the complimentary water sports equipment means you can try kayaking, snorkeling, or paddleboarding without any extra charges. The beach service includes comfortable loungers, umbrellas, fresh towels, and food and drink service, so you literally never have to leave your spot in the sand. The location gives you direct access to the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, making it a snorkeler's paradise with colorful fish and coral formations just a short swim from shore. When it comes to staying active and entertained, Sandos Playacar offers enough activities to keep even the most energetic travelers busy from sunrise to sunset. The fitness center operates from 6 in the morning until 10 at night, featuring modern cardio machines, free weights, and resistance equipment that's actually well-maintained and up-to-date. What sets it apart are the included fitness classes like yoga, Pilates, and aqua aerobics that happen throughout the week, plus personal training sessions available for those who want professional guidance. The resort's commitment to wellness shows in their daily activity schedule, which includes everything from beach volleyball tournaments to dance lessons and cultural workshops. Water sports enthusiasts will find plenty to keep them busy with complimentary equipment for kayaking, snorkeling, and paddleboarding, all available right from the beach. The entertainment team organizes different activities throughout the day, from pool games to beach soccer, ensuring there's always something happening if you're in the mood to be social. Evening entertainment includes live music performances every night, with local musicians showcasing everything from traditional Mexican folk music to contemporary hits. Twice a week, the resort hosts themed parties that give guests a chance to experience Mexican culture through music, dance, and traditional performances. The cultural dance performances are particularly impressive, featuring authentic costumes and choreography that tells the story of Mexico's rich heritage. Beach bonfires create a magical atmosphere for evening gatherings, with s'mores and storytelling under the stars. The spa and wellness facilities at Sandos Playacar deserve special recognition for creating an oasis of relaxation within an already relaxing resort. Operating from 9 in the morning until 7 at night, the spa offers an extensive menu of treatments that blend modern techniques with traditional Mayan healing practices. The signature Mayan healing massage incorporates ancient techniques passed down through generations, using locally sourced herbs and oils that are believed to have therapeutic properties. The chocolate body wrap is another standout treatment that sounds indulgent and feels even better, using rich Mexican cocoa to nourish and moisturize your skin while you relax in a tranquil treatment room. The facility includes a sauna and steam room that are perfect for unwinding after a day in the sun, plus relaxation lounges where you can extend the peaceful feeling long after your treatment ends. Facials use high-quality products and techniques tailored to address the effects of sun, salt, and chlorine on your skin, leaving you glowing and refreshed. The hydrotherapy treatments take advantage of water's natural healing properties, offering everything from therapeutic baths to targeted water massage. Booking treatments in advance is highly recommended, either through the front desk or online before your arrival, as the spa's reputation means appointments fill up quickly. The wellness philosophy extends beyond the spa, with yoga classes held on the beach during sunrise and sunset, creating a connection between mind, body, and the natural beauty of the Caribbean coastline. The peaceful setting and expert instruction make these sessions accessible to practitioners of all levels. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.